Max width genuinely caps an element's real width without forcing a fixed size, essential for actual readable, responsive text. In this video you'll use max width correctly. A real fixed width genuinely overflows a smaller actual screen. This doesn't genuinely shrink on mobile. Max width genuinely caps the real size at 800px on wide screens, while width 100% genuinely lets it shrink on smaller actual ones. Max width 65ch genuinely limits line length to about 65 real characters, a genuine, common readability best practice for actual body text. Max width genuinely caps size without forcing a fixed width. Combining with width, 100% genuinely lets it shrink responsively. Max width 65ch genuinely is a real readability best practice for text. Add max width 65ch to a real paragraph and compare readability. Ready to control real element positioning?